These are the worst types of Animal Company players. Let's go. The Stealer. Bro! Number 2, the Beggar.
Hey, can I have that RPG?
No, why?
Because my mom has stage 5 cancer.
Bro! Number 3, the Griefer. Does anybody want free company coins?
Me!
Number 4, the Rich Kid. Bro!
Yo, you're so poor!
Bro! Number 5, the Spender.
Ooh, might as well get this, this,
doing?
this,
Bro!
this,
Brother, what? You're spending so much money.
Get this.
Oh my god. Number 6, the Scammer. Okay. I'm gonna...
Alright, you drop yours over there, I drop mine over here.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now go slow.
Yeah,
Go slow. Go. Bro! Hey! Bro! Bro!